How to join a Google Classroom. There are two ways to join a Google Classroom. The first method requires the teacher to add you to the classroom first. Once they do so, you'll receive an email like this one where you're invited to join the classroom. To join, simply click the Join button. The other method to joining a Google Classroom requires that your teacher share the classroom code with you. You may find an email like this one from your teacher, which includes a classroom code. Copy the code and then go to classroom.google.com. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the Google Classroom homepage. To join a class, click the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Join Class. Paste the class code that you just copied into the field and click Join. You've now been added to the class. And that's how to join a Google Classroom. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.